In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync OneDrive, 5 minutes. Let's get your files safely backed up and accessible across your devices in just a few clicks. Start by going to the taskbar on your computer down by the clock and click the OneDrive cloud icon. It may be white or blue. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons and look for the cloud there. In the OneDrive panel that opens, click the gear icon to access settings. From that menu, choose Settings. This brings up the OneDrive Preferences window where you control what gets synchronized and how it's backed up. Next, go to the Sync and Backup section. This is the hub for enabling backups of your key folders and deciding what your device automatically saves to OneDrive. Think of it as the command center for keeping your files protected and consistent across your laptop, desktop, or other devices signed into the same account. Click Manage Backup. You'll see the main folders that OneDrive can protect automatically, typically your desktop, documents, and pictures. Turning these on means OneDrive will continuously back up the contents of those folders to the cloud. It also helps you keep the same files available wherever you sign in. If a toggle appears unavailable, it could be managed by your organization, but in most personal setups, you can freely choose. Enable all the folders you want to sync. A quick tip: backing up big folders is great for safety, but it may take time on the first upload. Make sure you're on a reliable connection and keep your device powered so everything completes smoothly. You can continue working while it syncs in the background. When you're ready, click Save Changes. OneDrive will begin scanning and uploading the selected folders. You'll see progress in the OneDrive panel, and small status icons will appear on files in File Explorer to show what's synced. While you're here, you can also enable automatic backup of photos from connected devices. In the same Sync and Backup area, turn on the option that saves photos and videos from your device to OneDrive, so they're immediately protected and easy to find later. Finally, turn on the setting to save your screenshots to OneDrive. With this enabled, every screenshot you take is captured to the cloud, making it simple to share, search, and retrieve them on any device. That's it. You've set up OneDrive to back up your folders, photos, and screenshots, keeping your files safe and in sync wherever you work.